Winter in the western Washington forest. Snowberry. Lots of sword ferns. Moss. I don't know if you can see up there on that little branch, those ferns sticking off. That's licorice fern. You can see it better on this branch here. And these are our colors. Kind of rusty brown and mossy green. Oh, look at this pretty happy moss. And it's mostly big leaf maple, one of our keystone species that's suffering from climate change, and a little, this is a cedar. I'm not sure if that's Thuya placata or not. I think it is, which is a sacred tree of life for the Coast Salish peoples. They made their canoes out of cedar, made fabric from its bark, made hats. Up above I also saw, I don't know if we'll pass any, but yeah, this is definitely Thuya placata. Or as I read, the natives call them, their boughs are like bird wings. And yeah, sword fern is just totally iconic. Western Washington, Western Oregon, down in California as well. Got some little fungus growing there out of that log. Some lichen. I'm not by any means a naturalist. I work with naturalists, biologists, and read their reports for work. So I'm just by osmosis growing up here. I'm not quite sure what this tree is here. I don't think it's a Doug fir. But you know, I sure should know. So this is just classic, you know, it's been logged off. So this is not native old growth forest. The first trees that come in are alder. I don't think there's many alder left here now. Here's some cedars that have been planted. This is a real recent baby. I'm not a hardcore birder, but I've heard eagles, bald eagles in here. And homes up there, where they logged to the edge of the ravine and developed. Happy New Year almost.